Now, welcome to our junior problem solvers. Our third lesson now we are about to start. Today, our number talk is called Which One Doesn't Belong? This is a good way to warming up and having some number talk. How which one doesn't belong works? I show you for object, for numbers, and you will decide which one doesn't belong. It means that three of them will have the same feature, one of them is different. And then we will create 5 solutions. There is not one single solution. We will create more. Start with Sare. Go ahead.
I think 16 doesn't belong because it's the only one with the 1 that is even.
Oh, even number. Sarah is saying that 16 is the only one even number. The others are odd number. That's a good way to talk about odd number and even number idea. I like it. Mehmet, please go ahead.
I think 43 doesn't belong because like 9 plus 5 equals to 16, and there's like a 9 here, and there's a 5 in the 25.
So can you elaborate more why the other 3 are the same feature, then 43 is the unique one, doesn't belong? Can you go?
It's about the ones. Like 9 plus 5 equals to 16.
Okay, one place. Okay, 9, 5, and 16. Can you elaborate more, please, Mehmet?
So like what?
So 9 plus what?
5.
Then 9 plus 5 is 14, right?
Oh yeah, I just got confused about.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's good. Thank you for trying. Then we see that this is okay. Let's see. Let's try the different ways. Think about different. Revise your thinking, Mehmet. Namık, what do you think? Which one doesn't belong?
I think I don't know, but it might be 16.
16? Why? Let's see. Okay, yes.
Or does it make sense?
Or let's see let's think about, we can find different ways. I am seeing that 9 doesn't belong. Why? Since the others sum of numbers, sum of digit is 7, but 9 is the only one single digit is 9, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
This solution is okay? Good.
Yeah.
Let's create multiple solutions. Let's create maybe 3 or 5 solutions. That's why I like which one doesn't belong number talk, because there is no one way to think. You can use multiple math. You can apply multiple math concept and ideas. Let's think about it. So we were talking about odd number, even number. We were talking about adding digits. And then what else? Do you don't know yet prime numbers or perfect square? Second, do you know some multiplication?
Yeah.
9, what time 9 is what time 9? What 2 numbers you multiply by 9? Since 9 is 3 times 3, right?
Yeah.
16 is what? 4 times 4. 25 is what?
5 times 5.
That's why I am thinking that 43 doesn't belong, since the other three numbers, we get the same, multiply the same number. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5 is 25. But 43 is not that number, right? Not like number. What we call next year or after next year, you will be learning these numbers are called perfect square. But you don't have to know these numbers name it's called a perfect square. Perfect square means you multiply the same number, you get the perfect square. 36 is another perfect square. Why? Because 6 times 6, right? Okay, great. What else? Okay, we got 3 or 4 solution. And then okay, 9 doesn't belong, since the only 9 doesn't belong. Why? The others are 2 digits, right?
Yeah.
So the other are 2-digit numbers, but 9 is only one digit, right? Do you see that now we can create multiple ways, we can approach multiple ways to think about. What else? Oh, if you yeah, that's fine. That is, yeah, that's okay. The four solution is not okay, but we can even go and do one more solution. You can think different ways so far, yeah. So now today's our the first idea is adding numbers. Here's my first question to you. Easy question. How do we add first 5 numbers? Can you try to add first five numbers, Sarah?
You can go from 5 and then you can just keep adding on the numbers. That'd be kind of
What do you mean?
like 5, and then you'd count on 4 more, and then from that answer you'd count on 3 more, and then
So
from
you
that
go
answer,
5,
2 more.
4, 9, 12, 14, and 15, right? You go that way. Okay, that's okay. Since you have 5 numbers, it's easy to add 5. Or I can add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 14, 15. So you can do multiple different ways to add. Yes, Namuk, do you have any techniques?
I did 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 3 equals 6, plus 4 equals 10, plus 5 equals 15.
Great. Then my second question is, in this case, what is the sum of the first 10 numbers? And do you see that this number means it goes blah, 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 it goes the same way. I'm going to extend and write this one down this way. Is there an easier way to add first 10 numbers without adding them? Yes, now.
I learned it a different way. Like, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. And those plus another one is probably 30, because 15 plus 15 equals 30.
Oh, but this is bigger, right? The second part is bigger. Then it's going to be more than 30, right? The second part is bigger. That's fine, no problem. Now, why I call this one Gauss sum. Sum means what do we sum means what? The result of what? Yes, sorry.
The question?
The result
like
of what?
the,
What question? What
equation?
operation? The result of what operation? Namık?
Um.
Addition operation, right? So the result of addition. Okay. Yes, Namık.
I think we know the answer for the second problem.
Okay. Okay. Let's say, Namık, what do you observe?
I think the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, I think it's 55 all the way to 10.
Correct. Correct. But you are right. You add them together, right? Okay. Now it is our turn to avoid hard work. Be smart. What's today's our motto? Avoid hard work. Be smart. Sorry. Avoid hard work, be smart. How do we avoid hard work and being smart? We are not going to add them together, because what if we get question first 1000 sum number sum? That will be terrible, right? To add them together. Who has any idea? Yes. Yes, sorry.
Like you can try to figure out smart and easy ways and avoid the hard work instead of doing hard ways.
Correct. It's called what we call, this is called also bashing or brute force. No brute force. Brute force means you add all the 10 numbers by hand or by calculator. I will tell you soon how this person, his name is Gauss, was smart, since he created very nice way to add them together. First thing, I would like you to focus on this red line, orange line, purple line, green line, and blue line. What do you see? Go ahead. Sorry.
I see that like the 10 and the 1 and the 2 and the 9 and the 8 and the 3 and so on are like connected.
Mehmet, what do you observe? Good starting, good notice. What do you observe?
Let me. All of the like 1, like 10 and 1 are like connected. So like first like all of them like 3 is like the third number and 8 is in the third number.
Good. They have the same sum, right? What is 1 plus 10?
11.
What is 2 plus 9?
11.
3 plus 8?
11.
And 4 plus 7?
11.
And then finally the blue one.
It's also 11.
Well, that's a good starting, right? Now let's see. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. How many 11 do we have? 5. Yes, Namık. The result is, Namık?
55.
Do you see that? It's very nice. It's called the rainbow method, or you can do rainbow top, and then you can say rainbow. That's so cool, right? Do you see that how beautiful to think smart, and math is really a study of pattern we can find. Now your second question is going to be, do you see that how this I created this picture, a group of students discussing, they are discussing the number, the sum of first 20 numbers. Now it is your turn being smart, avoiding hard work without using brute force to find the sum of first 20 numbers. I would like you guys to share your answer with me using chat box. Let's see. Namık, let's get your answer verbally. What do you think?
I couldn't calculate yet.
That's okay. And you can share your idea, Esma, or you can, yes. If you have any idea, feel free to share. That's okay. I will help you the calculation. And what's your opinion now, Namık, in this case? Just tell me just where we start. Can we use the previous idea? The
Yeah,
rainbow idea.
yeah.
How the previous idea, previous one work help us to figure out this one?
They added all of them. They all equaled 11. And
But 11, but in this case, Sarah, what do you think? Sarah, would you like to add something?
I think it would make 21 instead of 11. And also you could like attach them. Like you could do 1 plus 20, 21, 2 plus 19, 21. I think 3 plus 18 and like so on. And then you'd keep adding them just
But
like
what's the final one?
The final one, 10 plus 11.
21. That's great. Rainbow method, what we call also Gauss sum. And I will explain why this is called Gauss sum. Now, do you see that? We found very nice idea here. And we are going to think about more. So we got all sum 21, right? Pairs of numbers, right? How many 21s? How many 21 do I have?
20.
20
10.
total number. Why is number 10? But
you add
10
two numbers. It's basically like 10 minus 20.
10 pairs, right, Namık? Because you have total 20 numbers, right? But you are matching two of them together, right? We are making a pairs, right?
Yeah.
But 10 pairs. Then the sum is going to be what? 21 times what? What is 21 times 10?
It might be 200. No.
210. I will tell you how you add, how you multiply by 10 later, but it's basically you improve, you get the 10 times more, which is 210. Sarah, would you like to add on?
No, I just wanted to share something that was kind of off topic, but I also noticed that the numbers on the right were bigger than the numbers on the left.
Yes, correct. That's a good idea. But we use those numbers for the pairing up and then getting the same sum, right? We got the same sum and we use the rainbow method and total 20 numbers and how many pairs? 10 pairs, and each sum is 21 and 21 times 10 is 210 total sum. I would like to mention the story of the Gauss. Are you ready? Yeah. Usually 5th grader and 6th grader hear this story, but I will tell you a very early age. Sarah, could you read out loud this story, please?
The whole thing or just the black?
This part.
Okay. When Gus was about 10, his teacher angrily assigned the class of boys a long problem. They should add the first 100 numbers.
Wow, first 100 numbers, right? Do you see that? First 100 numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus blah 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 blah,
And so
Woo! So on, right?
Gus responded the problem in a matter of seconds and correctly. His teacher was shocked to see he had the right answer, curious about how he did it so quickly without a calculator.
What do you think? How he calculated?
I think he was like 101 times
Wow, that's correct. He was thinking that, Mehmet, do you see that?
Yeah.
1 plus, he used the same idea, right?
Yeah.
1
I-
plus 100.
Equals to 101, and then like the other one, the other number is 101, and then the other one's 101.
Then Namık, you were thinking, how many 100s on one do I have? We have 100 numbers. How many pairs?
50, and I
Then
think that would be
50,101, right?
5,050.
Wow, you guys, you are awesome. You are in 2nd grade, and you can now understand this 6th grade, even the story about Gauss. I am very surprised, and I am very happy to hear how you like and understand this story. Why this story is important? Because this story helped the biggest female mathematicians, Maryam, inspire Maryam. Why? When Maryam, she was in her 6th grade in Iran, her teacher told this story. Because when Gauss is 10 age, which is the usually they are same age, right? And then she heard this story. And who wants to read? Who wants to read this one? This part. Mehmet, you can start reading this part. Here's her memory.
Okay. Here is her memory. First, my first memory of mathematics is probably the time that her math teacher told me about the problem of adding numbers about from 1 to 100. I think he had read in the a popular science journal how
Gauss, yes.
Gauss solved the
Solved.
problem. The solution was quite
fascinating, right?
For me. That was the first time I enjoyed a beautiful solution. I thought I could not find it myself.
Wow, that's interesting, right? Even she was in 6th grade. She is the biggest female mathematicians. And she got the field medals. That's interesting. But even she said, I couldn't solve myself. But you guys, you are 2nd grade and you solve it. Wow, that's impressive. Thank you. And that was the how working math such an early age inspiring. That's why you are doing great job. That's very inspiring work. Okay, let's we are doing some work. Now, this is so every time is we are doing purposefully. Now this time's idea is addition, and also now we are doing some context, some problem related to addition. Esma, you go ahead and read out loud this one.
In his wallet, Stanley has $1 $5 bills and two $2 bills and $1 bill.
One $5.
Going amounts can Stan not make out of the bills that he has.
Okay, he has one $5 bill two, oh, sorry, one $2 bill. I'm sorry, one $2 bill, right? And one $1 bill. Which of the following amounts can Stanley not make out of his bills that he has? The same, this is the same Stanley or Stan, same person. Can he make $3? How? Yes, sorry.
He just pays 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1.
I mean, both are like his $2 bill and his $1 bill.
What about 4? What about 6? Can he make $8? Yes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Mehmet, can he make $7?
Let me see. Yes, he can. Adding 5 plus 2.
Good. What about $6? Esma, is it possible?
Yes.
How?
5 plus 1.
That's good. What about 4? No. Okay. That is the 4 is impossible to have because 1. That's good. We got this one so far. Now I'm going to use money as a context and then to understand some addition problem. Now can you explain this problem to us and what kind of coins do we have?
We have
25 cents, right?
yeah, plus 5 cents.
And 1 cent.
I would say you should do plus. Oh wait, never mind.
But that's okay. You need to pick 3 of the coins to add them together to have 31 cents. I see the others got the answer. That's okay. Now take your time.
Oh, chat.
Go ahead. Yes, Namit, which 3 coins should I pick?
25, 5, and 1.
Sorry, 25 cents. That's correct. 25, 5, and 1. That's correct. I think that's the only option to use 3 coins to get 31 cents. We will be doing more about the money problem, but so far this is okay. Now, who is turn? Now, how do we get 36 cents? Again, using 3 coins. Thinking of we have 25 quarter, 10, 5, and 1 cent. This time, Esma, it's your turn. Go ahead.
25 cents.
Okay, it's a good starting, Esma. You have 25 cents so far. Good. And then
10 cents.
10 more. Now you have 35 cents.
And 1 cent.
Do you all agree with this solution? I think we don't have the second solution, right? By using 3 coins, only one option, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are doing a little bit puzzle types of some problem. Let's try to understand the problem. Mehmet, could you read out the problem, please?
Fill the empty squares so that the numbers in each row left to right and each column top to bottom add up to 20.
This is the this is what left to right is column. row, right?
Mhm.
Is add up to what?
4.
20.
So 20, so
Then what is the, how do we see, this also add up to 20, right?
mhm. So we have to find the answer. We have to fill in the blank one to find 20.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. So can I do the first one?
Yes, go ahead.
So I think 8 first. I have to add 8 plus 4. It's equals to 12. So 12 plus 8 equals to it equals to 20.
Then the first one's question mark will be 8. You are right. Good. And who wants to do the green one? Sare?
It's either right, 6. You would add 6 to make 8 plus 5 plus 6 equals 20.
So you are thinking this part should be 8 plus 5 plus 2 question mark is 20, then 13 plus 2 question mark. What question mark gives you 20? Which is
7.
7, right? Sorry.
Well, I'm confused. What?
7, right? Why? Because 13 plus what number gives you 20? Good. Then who wants to do the pink one? Namık?
I'll do
4 plus 11 plus what gives you?
5.
15 and 5, correct. Then what about this one? This red one?
10.
10, correct. Then finally, the bottom one?
2.
2. Good job. Problem 7. Again, as the equation problem. And also we use the addition idea. This problem asks us to figure the weight of one triangle. It's a kind of equation. What we did previously. Previously 30, how do you set up equation? 30 plus box plus a triangle plus triangle is going to be 60. Now, who wants to do this one? And let's see. Yes, Mehmet, go ahead.
So I think it's 15 because 15 plus 15 equals to 30, and 30 plus 30 equals to 60.
That is correct. The value of one triangle has to be 15, which is going to be add up to 60. It's a kind of equation problem. Do you know that when you see this problem this way, 2x equals 60, this is algebra, right? This is called algebra. That's why you do not need to scare algebra. You are already doing algebra now. We start algebra now at 2nd grade. That's great. We are moving the problem 8. Problem 8 also related to the addition equation idea. Now the question marks value, they are the same. Then think about this one. Sarah, let's think about together. Sarah, what's the known number? What is 10 plus 2?
That would be 12.
12 plus 2 same square, circle 18. Sarah, what numbers add up to, what numbers plus 12 is equal to 18? So what number should you add to get 18? 12 plus what number? 12 plus what is 18? What is the difference between 12 and 18?
It has 6 in between it.
6, that's good. Then therefore this two circle has to be 6. Go ahead, complete the solution, please, Sari.
That would mean one circle would be 3 and the other circle would be 3.
Definitely a good solution. 10, then add 2. Yes, add 6 to get, yeah, correct. We have 2 more problems. Today, you are doing absolutely great job. Very smooth transition for each problem and 100% motivation, 100% understanding and engagement. Last 2 problems will be challenging for us. It's an addition problem, but addition puzzle problem. I already crossed out and blacked out the numbers, the first 10 digits and the ones digits of 30 something. It add up to 57. What do you think those numbers are? Namık?
Maybe 32 and 20.
Why not? But this is, how can you get 20? This should be different. 22? You mean that 22?
22 and 30.
Wait, 22 and what? 30. Add up to 52. It's not working. That's okay. Good to try.
22 plus 22 plus 5.
35?
Yeah.
Wow, that works, right? That's awesome. So this is 20. This is what? 5. Okay, well, good. 22 plus 35 is 57. Why? Because 20 plus 30 is 50. Sorry. Sometimes I am thinking fast. That's not good. 30 is 50. And 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, this is 57. Then we got it. Today's session's last problem would be, very good. It's called a kangaroo math problem, a 3rd grade problem, but we can still understand. And today's challenge is, let's try to first understand the problem. Sare, please go ahead, read the problem to us.
First, Diana scores 12 points in total with 3 arrows. On her second turn, she scores 15 points.
Great. Then, what is the question are we looking?
How many points does she score on her 3rd turn?
Now, what is the initial idea for this problem? Where should I start? Namık, share your thoughts. Reasoning, please.
I have a minute.
Yes. Esma?
I think it's 10.
So, Esma, how did you start this problem?
I looked at other points and on the
Esma, three arrows. 3 arrows goes 12 points, right? What is Esma? What's the 1 arrow? With 3 arrows is 12, right? What is the one arrow, 1 box means? Okay, 3 same thing, right? Add up to 12 point. What is the one's value? Let's say 3 apples. 3 apples is $12. No, maybe not the 3 apples. $12 is too much. What should I say? 3 watermelon is $12. What's the one value of the watermelon? Do you think how much one value? What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? 12, right? Okay, good. Okay, Mehmet, then this is this part is 4 point, right?
So, So like all of them are like 12 points.
Yeah, the first one is 12 points.
Okay, and the other one's 15 points. So I think we're supposed to add 15 plus 12.
But think about
Oh.
Mehmet. The second region, this region is 4 points, right, Mehmet?
Yeah.
If the 4 points, and if you hit 2 times 4, what's 2 plus 4 plus 4?
It's 8.
8, right? Then to get the total 15 points, what should the center, how much point the center should be, Sare? Because Sare, you let's do equation. 4 plus 4 plus the center one is 15, right? 8 plus center one is 15. What is the value of center? Yes, Sare?
7.
7. Why do you think it's 7?
Because 8 plus 7 is 15.
That's correct. Then we have found that the center points, because you usually get this when you hit the center, which is hard to hit, you get more points. Makes sense. Now, what is the last one's point, the total point? Yes, Namık, you are right. Which is 3 arrows hit the middle one, which is what? 7 plus 7 plus 7.
21.
21. That's great. We complete today's problems, and we learned a lot of great ideas, rainbow sum, Gauss sum, and we use the summation idea, addition concept into multiple great problems. I am glad you learned a lot today. We are doing our third lesson. We already done and then I already posted 2 lessons, and people are watching. Do you know that 2 weeks before we have just only 1 subscriber or 0 subscriber? Now how many subscribers do we have?
38.
48. Then what should we say? And then how many people watched? This is just we posted yesterday. Almost what? Almost how many people watched?
48.
No, this is the subscribers. But how many people view? How many people see? They saw the video, right, Mehmet?
So the first one, like the red one, is 106 views, and the other one is 1,000. I think 1,700.
About maybe more, but we cannot see now. Then the total is now.
Let me see. Okay, so 1,806.
Yeah, around that one. That's great. Then Sare, what should we say?
Maybe
subscribe.
Or like and subscribe, or subscribe and like.
Yes. Then Esma, what should we say?
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Namık?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good. Mehmet?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, great lesson. And that's the end of our lesson 3. Thank you for your 100% engagement, 100% motivation.